Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer the money from Zelle to Wise. So let's get started. So it is very easy to transfer. You have to follow this easy steps. So here we'll just go and select search. So from here, first of all, you have to open your Zelle. Okay. And then you have to pick the person to you pay. So you can just put your email that is linked with your Wise or the US number that you have. Then you have to third step, choose your amount that you want to send and click on pay and confirm the payment, and then your money will be sent. So this is how to transfer the money from Zelle to Wise. And if you have any related questions, you can let me know in my comment sections. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.